Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to remove the text or logo or whatever. Okay, so if you want to remove something right on your images using Photoshop, you can easily do that. This is a poster of Avengers Doomsday, so you can see this is reflecting here. Okay, this is the image I just downloaded. I just googled it and I have copied it in Photoshop. So now I just want to remove this title. Okay, so in order to remove the title, right, what I need to do is you can use lasso tool or you can use this marquee tool. Okay, so marquee tool is very easy. Press M on your keyboard. Okay, so it is blocked now, and before that I'm going to just unlock it. Okay, and then it's very simple. It's a straightforward technique. So go to edit and then tap fill and then choose contents as content aware and then okay. Guys, it's removed, but you can see here it is actually this one is reflecting here. So if you want to avoid that situations, right, what you can do it. So I'm going to deselect it and Control Z and deselect again, and then I'm going to choose this lasso tool, press L. So I'm going to just mark this. Okay, now go to edit and then fill and then choose okay. So even right, if I'm using this lasso tool, it is coming like this, and still I have a solution, so I can remove this as well. So even if you just give Control Z, okay, I'm going to give this particular place and I'm going to choose edit and content aware fill. So I'm going to leave like this. This one is good, so choose auto. I mean, it's automatically it's switching, and then I'm going to give okay, friends. That's friends, it looks like real, right? So this is the way you can change it, friends. So even right, if I want to change, I mean, if I want to remove this, so go to edit, go to fill and then give okay. Guys, it's absolutely changing, friends. So you need to make the selections here. It's perfect, right? It is just awesome, friends. So it's matched the background. Guys, this is the way you can remove any text or logos on your images. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from your friends. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.